What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drivability. Another absolutely stunning 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Beautiful muscle car. We try to buy the best ones that we can for the price. This one is no exception. Actually, one of the highest quality examples that we've had. We're going to go through a bunch of history on the car. We do have the original build sheet. It was an original SS 350 car, original 4-speed. Just finished. Just finished a 5-year rotisserie restoration. I'll highlight some of the things. Brand new professionally installed 454 cubic inch big block, approved in 2018 by Performance Technology in Wakarusa. Made it with a 5-speed Tremec transmission per shifter. It is the original spring green code 36 CRE white rally stripes as it would have been from the factory. This was completed in 2024. It is show quality paint, absolutely gorgeous going down the side, super straight body panels, not a speck of rust anywhere. Got a little bit of that flake in it, gives it that nice sparkle. Love to see that. Like I said, this entire car is show quality. Absolutely stunning work done on the restoration, maintained to the highest standards. "15-inch SS wheels, wrapped with the good NCAs. Suspension was completely redone. The new front and rear sway bars, listing rear shocks, power steering, power disc brakes, excellent stopping capacity. Also to note, if you may go check out the undercarriage pictures, this car has all the original stickers that would have been on the sway bars, the differential, brake lines. Everything is truly correct. Restoration, a lot of painstaking effort for sure. Cowl induction hood. Just look at the detail everywhere. Everything done, redone. Perfect underneath. The exhaust. Wait till I pop the hood on this beautiful ride. Glass looks brand new, perfect. Fitment of everything is just perfect. 12-volt rear end. Got a gas tank. See the little stickers, tags there. This kind of stuff I was talking about. Go ahead and pop the door open here. A small push the button. Continuation of some of the other things I'm talking about is all stacked, all the stickers, perfect placement of everything, exactly like it would have been from the factory. Look at the interior lights, even nice and bright. Seats, headrests on the bucket seats, perfect condition. Rear seats the same way. Carpet brand new. Like this 3-point seatbelt. Let's hop on inside here. Brand new steering wheel. Gauge cluster looks factory perfect. 578 miles. Gauge is all new. Air conditioning. Look how bright this is. Must be an LED light. Really pretty. There's our 5-speed Tremec reverse shifter. Brand new center console. Got that clutch safety. PSI oil pressure. Blowing, as you can see. Clock is working. This is it. That's a lot of work. Well, this restoration photos for Chevelle all the way through. Man, that's a lot of work. Anybody that's ever restored a car knows. Tear that motor down. Bring it all the way back. Everything was painted individually. That's how you should do it. Rotisserie down. Primer. Blocking, sanding. Oh yeah, look at that. General Motors. Doing some stripes, painting everything, transmission going together, still on the rotisserie. Ooh, that's a lot of work. New wiring, upholstery, new gas tank, emblems, build sheet, right there. Like a finished car. Man, that's a lot of work. Props to the guys. Got that done. Move over here. Label, engine, chassis. This is about 2 inches. 2 inches of receipts. That'll be fun. And you got your original build sheet here. 350 SS group. That does have a 454 now. But man, that's some great documentation. I'd love to see that. Alright, y'all, we got the Chevelle out of the shop here. We're gonna go take it down the road, see what she does. Alright, as we've already discussed, full rotisserie restoration, 5 years of work, all the culminating effort. This thing is absolutely dialed in, so expect it to drive like a brand new car. We'll find out. But it is cold. We're running 140 right now, just after pulling it out of the shop. So I'll watch the temp gauge go up, see what the oil pressure's doing. It's doing 70 right now. Everything working. So. Go ahead. So smooth. Love that. That's fourth gear. Let's go up into fifth since we got it. Tremec 5-speed. Doing 55 miles an hour here. Exactly as you would expect. Tracking straight down the road. No shakes, no rattles. Drives like a brand new car. Love it. Man, what a nice car. Clutch is easy to shift, just the right amount of back pressure on the spring. Fuel gauge showing a little bit below half. Windshield wipers working like they should. Got our AC on. Temperature coming up to about 170 now. Dialed in, y'all. This car is absolutely beautiful. Get a chance to work the brakes there. Somebody stopping us in front of us. But y'all, just stuff that I noticed, you know, everything just looks perfect. There's no fading on the dashboard anywhere. None of these all silver trim around the gauges, just handles, the trim, SS emblems, all that kind of stuff just all looks brand new. That's, you know, really what you get when you pay for something obviously of this price, as well as just the pictures and documentation to back up how every single thing was touched, single thing was done with excellence. So just want to make that abundantly clear. That's what this car is. If you're looking for something turnkey, something super nice that you want to take to a show, super high quality car, this one's it. So, do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available if y'all need that. Blistein shocks feel so good. Obviously a very high quality shock. That's what's in this car. Give us a call, y'all. Thanks for watching. See ya.